Julian Cook had a great job. He had just bought a house right next door to his girlfriend. He thought his life couldn't be better until Julian's girlfriend told him it was over, and his boss fired him that same day. His world was crushed. Will he find a job that will cover his mortgage? Will he ever find his one true love? Follow him on his journey.